Sometimes the simplest things can bring the greatest joy. There is something special about creating with your own hands, putting in the effort and watching everything come together beautifully. So relax, enjoy the process, and let's make something worth sharing. Good things take time. Just like dough rising, be patient with the process, and something beautiful will come out of it. So I'm using half cup of sugar because I want the bread to be sugar, and I use half cup of milk powder, a pinch of salt, one dry yeast. So let's mix them together again before we add our lukewarm water. I'm adding my flour. This is the very simple recipe. I'm using 1.5 cup. Yeah. This is the most simple, easy. Every bun starts as simple ingredients, but with care and effort, it becomes something special. Your hard work today will be worth it. I'm adding my lukewarm water here. You have to check the quantity of the flour before you add your water. Every stir is a reminder that small efforts become beautiful results. Keep going. Keep working the dough. Every gentle touch brings it closer to something beautiful. I'm kneading the bread. You can see it. This is butter. It was blocked, but you can melt it. You can use soft butter, any choice. You can wear gloves if you are not comfortable. You can wear gloves, yeah. This is vanilla essence powder. Guide me, oh my great Redeemer, pilgrim through this barren land. I am weak, but you are mighty. Hold me with your powerful hand. Bread of heaven, feed me now and evermore. Feed me now and evermore. Feed me now and evermore. Open now the crystal fountain where the healing waters flow. Let the fire and cloud pillar lead me on my journey through. Strong deliver, ever be my strength and shield. Strong deliver, ever be my strength and shield. The name is Bida and I work out doors. So now I'm rolling the dough and shape it with patience. Beautiful things takes time to come together. Now I am shaping each pieces with care. Every little effort makes a difference. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. What you are creating today may bring joy to someone tomorrow. Keep going. Your beautiful results are taking shape. Fill your bread with love and it will fill hearts with joy. The best recipes are made with patience and a happy spirit. We are still shaping our dough. Sometimes we just need to slow down and take things one step at a time. As I shape this dough, I am reminded that beautiful results don't happen all at once. It takes patience, a little effort, and consistency. So whatever you are working on in your own life, don't give up because you are not seeing the results yet. Keep shaping, keep building, and keep believing. So as the bread has been already shaped, we are going to brush it recipe. Yeah, so as I brush the dough and get it ready for the oven, now the final touch is going on. Sometimes the little details are what make something beautiful. We've mazed, we've shaped, and now it's time to trust the process. May this bread come out soft, golden, and beautiful, and may your own efforts in life bring you beautiful results too. Say amen. Whatever you are working on, don't stop halfway. Keep going until you see the results you have been hoping for. Bread, relaxed, prove, don't disgrace me. People are watching you. The wait is over, and look at what patience has created. Golden, soft, and beautifully baked. Sometimes life is just like this. You put in the work, you wait patiently, and one day you finally see the results. Never give up on what you are building. Your beautiful moment will come too. The name is Bidina Walker Doings Recipe. If you are still here, please do not skip, and thank you so much. The taste is good. So soft. Keep believing in yourself, even when the results are not coming quickly. Every small step matters. Just like this bread needed time to rise and bake. Your dreams also need patience, effort, and consistency. Don't rush your journey. Keep going. Today bread is a reminder that patience brings results. Whatever you are working toward, don't give up. As I always say, keep showing up, keep believing, and keep putting in the effort. One day, I said one day, you will look back and be proud that you didn't stop. Your best days are still ahead.